Hello. So today I'm going to show you how to freeze rows and columns in Google Sheets. So I am using the lesson plan. I do my lesson plans in Google Sheets, and so I'll put a link up here in the top right that goes over how I create my lesson plans in Google Sheets, which I have found to be very useful and efficient in my teaching career. Okay, so how to freeze rows and columns in Google Sheets. So if you go to View, and then freeze is the very first thing, and hover over freeze, you see you have all these options here: no rows, one row, two rows, up to current row 4. You'll see that because you can see right there I have a box selected in row 4 and the same options here. So I'm going to go first off and I'm going to freeze one row, which will be row 1. So you'll see there was a slight change, a slight gray line appeared. So what's awesome about this, so in my case, my lesson plans, if I needed to scroll down a little bit, whatever I have freezed up here stays right there. And then I can see, for 8th grade, what I'm doing on Tuesday without losing what it says at the top here. So for the side, I'm going to go to View. I'm going to go to Freeze. I'm going to freeze one column. And you can see the same thing happened here, that the little light gray line appeared. And now if I scroll over, this feature helps me a ton. So I can see 6th grade, Thursday, I can see what I'm doing. And so whatever I have for Friday there, I will be able to see and know what grade I'm looking at. So I have found freezing rows and columns to be extremely helpful and useful. And like it said too, if you go back to View and freeze, you can freeze more than one row. You have option of 2 rows, or whatever row you have selected, you can freeze up to that many rows. So hopefully you find this tool of freezing rows in Google Sheets, freezing rows and columns in Google Sheets, as useful as I have. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comments below, and I hope everyone is doing well. Until next time.